Welcome back, good people of the Vitamin D Tang channel. We're here in Washington, Seattle, Washington. We're in the middle of Pro-Am right now. I didn't start the vlog earlier because we were rushing. There was traffic. My flight landed an hour and a half before the Pro-Am started. We got here right when the Pro-Am started. They actually waited for us, so that's kind of nice. But here we are. There's 3 Pro-Ams this weekend. I'm probably gonna have to bowl them all. Yo, it is what it is. My favorite Pro-Am bowler ever. Dude, he's awesome. Look at this.
Awesome.
Yeah, baby. Look at that. The man can hook the ball.
Oh, yeah.
This is Casey. I recognize him from the comment section. So, if you're ever watching the videos and you ever want to meet me, Brad, and Kyle, make sure you guys bowl the Pro-Am. Also, subscribe. I might have a giveaway for the end of the month. We're trying to hit 20K by the end of May. Hit the button. Do it.
Like, subscribe, and share.
The guy already knows. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, brother.
No pressure. You thought about it, didn't you? You thought about it.
Sort of, but I was already nervous.
I'm glad I could help. All right, we just finished up Pro-Am number 1. We got practice session at 4 p.m. I don't know if I'm gonna bowl to 7 p.m. tonight. I know I have to bowl either tonight or tomorrow night. I'm also the defending champion at this regional, so winning this weekend would be pretty sweet. Haven't been here in 2 years. 2019 was the last time I won in this building. We got some good guys to beat.
Oh, wasn't that good?
Session, and now we're bowling Pro-Am number 2. I had the option to bowl today or tomorrow, so we should be all right moving forward. But practice was, I feel, kind of irrelevant. It played almost like the Pro-Am shot, so it's probably going to be pretty different tomorrow. If not, we have a lot of choices. Just going to enjoy the rest of the Pro-Am before tomorrow. What you got for the people?
I'm bowling like trash right now.
That's not what we want to hear.
I was bowling good earlier.
All right.
Yep.
What's your high game today?
I bowled like a 238.
All right.
Hey, we love your videos,
There you
man.
go.
Yeah.
Keep it going.
Thank you. The videos love you.
Yeah.
Do it for the vlog.
Do it for the vlog.
Should have caught me in the 10th frame. I would have thrown it between the legs.
It's not too late. You can do it again.
It's up to the player's discretion.
Get this good.
Meow.
2 hands for the future. Can we get a for the vlog one time?
For the vlog?
For the vlog. You guys sound a little more excited than that.
What?
He's like, nah. All right, we just finished Pro-Am number 2 for the night. I've been here all day. I'm tired. Tomorrow we bowl at 2 p.m. The title defense begins.
Oh,
I want you to shoot 300. There you go.
300 for the man. How you feeling?
Feeling good.
Feeling good?
You I could.
You got this?
Yeah, I'm gonna get some wood.
You go get some more. Let's go!